for your help. You're so kind.
Never mind. You should relax. See you later. Okay, kittens, watch me. Arms out like this, then pull back. You've got this.
Back! Tell their family I need $1 million to return them. Your children were caught by pirates. They demand $1 million for their return.
We don't have much money. This is my chance.
It's not free for training swimming or diving. You need to pay money first.
I can do it.
The winner is MC.
I need a big army ship.
Here's your payment. You've earned it.
Thank you, brother.
Gift for your birthday.
Please, you have to help us. She's not breathing.
She's stable for now. We're running some tests. The patient has a problem with the brain and needs $1 million for help her.
She will be better soon. I have some money, you can take it.
Thank you for your help. I must help my sister.
I must win this to save my sister a life.
Round 1 is start now. Round 2 is start now. Winner is MC and T. The final round start now. The winner is Skinny Cat.
Please subscribe and like me. Winner!
The winner.
Weak. This is your trying cost. Go away.
Mother, eat, please. Son, take care of all your brothers if Mother is no more.
Mother, brother, where are you?
Want to find my brothers and mother.
You need to pay $1,000.
I must win this to find my family.
MC! MC! Lion! Winner H! Lion! MC! MC! Lion!
That is my big brother.
Really? Let's go now.
MC! MC! MC!
For help, all my brother.
It okay, they all so cute.
Are you hurt?
Thank you for your help.
Never mind, are you better?
I must win the running race and win her love. Look at this tiny thing. He thinks he can race. He'll be crushed. What a joke.
hit him! How'd he do that?
I love you. Really. I'm glad we're doing this.
So, how have you been?
Been good, just enjoying the quiet. Don't think about love during class. You must focus on studying first.
Let's go!
Do you want to be police in future?
My community. It's my lifelong dream.
You can't catch me! We have a code 3 at the downtown bank. Let's move.
him. Now he's so handsome. I never forget you. Hello, yes, I need an ambulance.
Thank for help, my grandma.
Oh, it never. Mine. I have to go now.
See you later.
She's being taken!
I need money, $1 million. Take it to me now. No police.
Oh. Oh my. I don't have enough. How can I do? I must help her, don't worry.
I help you win campaign. This will give you power for the fight ahead.
Good, again. Faster, stronger. Push yourself.
Hold it. Show your strength.
Look at this tiny thing. He thinks he can fight us. We'll crush you.
MC. MC.
No, I have it. You need to get here now. fit my sister. Fight! Get up, you bag of bones! You're so weak and poor. Not fit my sister.
And there it is. He's done it. What a victory.
Love her. Please subscribe and like us.